Alright, part two of the face. Now I'm going to do the ears, because what's going on in the ears is a lot of little wrinkles. It's pretty much all white, but there's a lot of little wrinkles, so you see a lot of the gray, like some of the areas are darker. So I'm going to come back in here, I'm going to make some of those wrinkles for you. Alright. So again, it's just carefully observing all the different shapes. Like here's this like little tube shape. And then there's this like shape in here. Kind of like twists and turns around. And like then there's some areas that are lighter. You know, some areas that get a little bit more gray. So just look at, carefully observe. Okay. So if you look at the picture too, looks pretty similar, right? Pretty similar. Just a little different, you know, just a little different, little different values, but pretty much the same kind of thing going on there. It kind of looks like it's now wrinkled, and then over here, same kind of thing. You're just looking at some of those, carefully observing some of those details. You know, where is it gray? Where is it black? You know, where is it dark gray? Where is it, you know, light, almost white? That's what you're trying to find out. That's what you're looking at. And then you just see my pencil. It's really not that complex. I'm just kind of, you know, drawing in a circle. Okay. So there are its ears. And again, it's even if you can't do it like perfect, or can't do it, you know, quite as good as me, or, you know, you're still practicing, you know, at least you're starting to see more. You know, it's better than just coloring it one value. And then now the antlers, a lot of cool little things going on here, a lot of little textures. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna see how I'm ticking the pencil, all these little tick marks. Because it's not totally smooth. Those antlers have a lot of little bumps and imperfections, and so you can kind of give that effect just by, you know, not drawing so smoothly, kind of picking your pencil up and kind of hitting it down on the paper almost like dots or like little lines. And at the same time, some are kind of smooth, and if they are, then your marks are going to be smooth. But remember, there's areas that are white, so there's some areas that you're just going to leave white like that. So it gives it a little bit of a highlight. Watch this. See that? You leave that little white area right there, it kind of gives this antler right here a little bit of a highlight. And same thing over here too. The key is to not color it the same all the way around. See how that's starting to look? I'm going to go back over here just for a second. Can make this a little bit darker. There we go. It's better. And here too. Again, maybe what you can do is if you look at the picture, it's actually dark on the side, but then there's a little light highlight, just a little bit. It's those kinds of things that really make it look real. And let's do the other one. Again, like look at it and kind of don't do it perfect coloring in job. You know, just do these little tick marks. It kind of gives it some more texture. Makes it a little bit more interesting. Closer to what you're actually looking at. Although maybe some... And you just have to do it by what the picture says. Some are going to be really smooth like that one. And again, this one dark on the side, but then just a light patch on the edge. And same thing over here, kind of dark. And this one, really dark on the side. Then there's like a light area on the top. That I'll make this time by just leaving that area white. There. You see that? I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see. There you go. Really starting to come together, huh? Whoop. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next, which is going to be the body and how to do that. It's just a lot of different things going on in the body, so I'll take that as a separate video. So hang tight again.